Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your gift card balance on Calvin Klein. If you don't have a Calvin Klein account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get extra 50% off sale. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, scroll the page to the bottom. At the bottom left part, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. Then, you will be redirected to another page, from which you will see an option for Check a Gift Card Balance. Click on Check a Gift Card Balance. On the field provided, enter your 16-digit gift card number and PIN. After entering, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Check Balance. That's how you check your gift card balance on Calvin Klein. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.